Intellectuals.
Intellectually.
Intellectual companionship.
Liberals, intellectual.
Intellectually, yeah.
Of intellectuals.
Intellectual misfit.
Oh, intellectual.
An intellectual.
Intellektuell Viagra.
Intellectual rapport.
Mr. Intellectual.
Intellectual communist.
Your intellectual match needs an intellectual rematch.
And intellectual promise.
Of intellectual property.
Bait. Intellectual discipline.
Without intellectual analysis.
We're intellectually compatible.
Intellectually.
Intellectuals.
Intellectual companionship.
Intellectual misfit.
Mr. Intellectual.
Liberals, intellectual.
Intellectually, yeah.
Of intellectuals.
Oh, intellectual.
An intellectual.
Intellektuell Viagra.
Intellectual rapport.
Intellectual communist.
Your intellectual match needs an intellectual rematch.
And intellectual promise.
I'm intellectually
Be intellectually stimulated.
An intellectual. An intellectual property.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
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 Smart. Intelligent. Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Smart.
Intelligent.
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 Smart. Intelligent. Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Smart.
Intelligence.
Intelligence. Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
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 Intelligence. Smart. Intelligent. Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Smart.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
By impressing the intelligentsia.
The intellectual class, the intelligence.
Gotham's intelligentsia hold court.
Country's intelligentsia in the streets.
Fever, a form of neurasthenia common among the intelligentsia of that time.
Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
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 Intelligence. Smart. Intelligent. Intelligent.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Smart.
Intelligence.
Intelligent.
Intelligence.
Intelligence.
College.
College. College.
College.
College.
College.
College. College.
College.
College.
College.
College.
College.
College. College.
College.
For college?
College.
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 Collegial.
Collegiate's not cheap.
Barnard Basic. Collegiate mascot.
Braves collegiate application. Also,
a collegial atmosphere is essential.
Collegiate gymnastic coaches everywhere.
And collegiate leading by 1.
Wow, you look very collegiate.
Collegiality. Here at work. Use of service, leadership, and collegiality.
Non-existent collegiate school.
You broke the collegiate athletic.
big-time collegiate drumline.
Check. President Kennedy met with the
Collegiates on the Upper West Side.
And in the interest of collegiality.
Collegiate level.
Have you...
What collegiate shenanigans will befall me?
Oh, sense of style.
Ralph Lauren. Collegiate.
These are my most collegiate-looking blazers.
I was referring to intercollegiate competition.
Claims he went into collegiate wrestling for 2 years.
Main coil.
My coils?
They're in coils. Deploying the coil.
Saturated.
Slurry coil.
Lift a coil.
Power coil, motivator.
Priming the coils.
That coil's it.
Oh, coil's damaged.
The coils stay here.
It's a gathering coil.
Oh, coil your penis!
Space matrix restoration coils.
Need the coil!
He's coiled to strike.
Coil resistance is stable.
Go catch it. Coil.
Ordinary legume. Ordinary legume.
They're legumes, Dwight.
There are worse legumes.
Professor Copperfield's miracle legumes? Professor Copperfield's miracle legumes.
Grains and legumes.
You're from grains and legumes.
And this bag of legumes.
No legumes, no starches.
It's a nightmare. Blasted legumes.
Despised legume-based racial harmony.
Legumes a few times a week.
Lean proteins and no legumes.
And I can't rely on legumes.
Allergic to all tree nuts and legumes, actually.
Need to find a combination of beans and legumes.
Were you choosing me or not choosing legumes?
Oh, just you city folk and your legume.
Home because she's a poodle who can't rely on legumes.
Legion. Legion.
Legion.
The 13th Legion. The Lost Legion.
Legions. The numbers legion.
Withdraw your legions.
It's called Legion.
Command vast legion.
Our mighty legion.
Apparently, on Legion.
Ostensibly on Legion.
Gather the Legion! The Legion's awesome!
She slaughtered your legion.
They're, legion.
Rebuild the Legion?
Yes. A legion of orcs.
Religion?
Religion at best. At best.
What's that leave us at?
Religion!
Religion, all right.
And religion.
Some religions.
Okay. Religion.
Religion.
Yes, another religion?
That's religion.
Religion?
Education. Religion.
Religion? Learning?
Got religion. Religion. Duh.
Religion.
Religion.
Find my religion.
Yes, real religion.
Religion is tax exempt. Jedi's a religion.
I study religion.
Don't
Religious.
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 He's very religious. Religious.
Religious.
Nothing religious.
You religious?
Religious oligarchy.
Religious holidays.
You religious?
Religious.
He's very religious. Religious.
Religious.
Religious.
Religious.
Religious.
Religious.
Religious.
That's
Nothing religious.
you religious?
Religious oligarchy.
Religious holidays.
You religious?
Comparative exponential religiosity crap.
I figured with Caleb's, overt religiosity thing.
Anthropology. Describe.
Anthropology.
Anthropology, 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 anthropology.
Anthropology. Anthropology. Anthropology. Anthropology.
Anthropology.
Anthropological.
Anthropologically speaking.
Anthropology.
Lahain.
Ooh, anthropology.
Anthropology, linguistics.
It's anthropologically, sociologically.
The anthropology final.
What about anthropology?
What about anthropology, the store?
Anthropology final.
Archaeology, anthropology, ancient civilization.
Introduction to basic anthropology.
I mean, anthropologically speaking.
Just pure anthropological research.
Anthropology. Anthropology. An anthropologist.
I know what an anthropologist is.
Right, they're anthropologists.
I'm an anthropologist.
A union anthropologist.
The missing anthropologist.
Oh, I'm an anthropologist.
Of lead forensic anthropologist.
Anthropologist!
How's it going, boys?
An anthropologist, correct?
My dad was an anthropologist.
Forensic anthropologist in pro football?
And how about this? There's an anthropologist at school.
Like an anthropologist?
He called himself an anthropologist?
No, that's for anthropologists to decide.
Chance of landing that lead anthropologist.
I'm sort of a sexual anthropologist.
I'm an anthropologist with an interest.
Anthropological.
Anthropology, 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 anthropology.
Anthropology. Anthropology. Anthropology. Anthropology.
Anthropology.
Anthropology. Describe.
Anthropology.
Anthropologically speaking.
Anthropology.
Lahain.
Ooh, anthropology.
Anthropology, linguistics.
It's anthropologically, sociologically.
The anthropology final.
What about anthropology?
What about anthropology, the store?
Anthropology final.
Archaeology, anthropology, ancient civilization.
Introduction to basic anthropology.
I mean, anthropologically speaking.
Just pure anthropological research.
Archaeology.
Archaeological dig.
Art gossip.
Archaeology.
Archaeology and this.
Digital, archaeological, redundant.
Archaeology Club. Tuskegee Institute.
Archaeology.
Yes, yes. You call this archaeology?
Archaeology, anthropology, ancient civilization.
From archaeological expeditions abroad.
Professor of archaeology.
To the Archaeological Museum, young.
Archaeology is the
American Archaeological Society.
Archaeology today, tonight.
is hardly archaeology.
The Watusi! That's it, the Watusi! Oh, to hell with archaeology!
Archaeology. I'm an expert.
Trip. How was the archaeological?
Hippie. Archaeologist.
Archaeologist.
Really?
Independent space archaeologist.
An archaeologist, creep.
All right, archaeologist butters.
Famous archaeologist.
Professor Riversong. Archaeologist. Professor Riversong. Archaeologist.
I'm an archaeologist.
Oh,
she's an archaeologist.
I am Archaeologist Butters.
You're not an archaeologist.
That's our forensic archaeologist.
Filled at the musical archaeology.
They're archaeologists.
What? I get it. Archaeology.
Lieutenant Mala Asta, ship's archaeologist.
Got a problem with archaeologists? Archaeologists.
Riversong.
Archaeology.
Archaeological dig.
Art gossip.
Archaeology.
Archaeology and this.
Digital, archaeological, redundant.
Archaeology Club. Archaeology Tuskegee Institute.
Archaeology.
Yes, yes!
You call this archaeology?
Archaeology, anthropology, ancient civilization.
From archaeological expeditions abroad.
Professor of archaeology.
Solana, that's the archaeological site.
To the Archaeological Museum, young.
Archaeology is the
American Archaeological Society.
Archaeology today, tonight.
This is hardly archaeology.
The Watusi! That's it, the Watusi! Oh, to hell with archaeology!
Archaeology. I'm an expert.